Let's just try some of this delicious curry. I've been smelling it all day. Get a good bite. We're going to start with marinating our boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We're adding some plain yogurt, garlic, ginger, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Half a teaspoon turmeric, this gives it a beautiful colour. Some salt and black pepper. You can also add some chili powder if you like, but I prefer mine to be very mild. And give this all a really good mix, and you want to leave this to marinate for at least an hour. I've got some ghee in a pan on a medium heat. I just want to brown my chicken in batches. We don't want to overcrowd the pan because we want to get some colour on this chicken. I finished browning my chicken, and now we're going to add some sliced onions to the same pan we cooked our chicken in, with a little extra butter or ghee. And we're just going to get these onions a beautiful golden colour where they're nice and crispy. Onions are nearly done. Just add your cumin seeds and let that toast with your onions for an additional minute or 2. When your onions are golden and crispy, you're going to add some chopped tomatoes. Let this cook on a low heat until that extra moisture from your tomatoes has disappeared. When your tomatoes have cooked down, we can start adding our spices. So we're adding some salt, black pepper, ginger, garlic, coriander powder, ground cumin, and a little turmeric. And you're going to allow this to fry on a low heat for a couple minutes. Your tomato sauce has thickened and it's this beautiful deep red. You're going to want to blend this sauce and make it ultra smooth and silky. You should have this really smooth sauce. Now we're going to add our yogurt. I'm just going to temper my yogurt first with this hot sauce and mix that through. And this just makes sure that the yogurt doesn't split in that sauce when it continues cooking. Add your yogurt back to your curry. Stir in some double or single cream, and look how beautiful and silky smooth that sauce looks. And finally, add your cooked chicken from earlier, including all those chicken juices and butter that will be left in your plate. And just stir this through your sauce. Let your chicken simmer through in that sauce. I'm also adding half a teaspoon of kasturi methi, half a teaspoon of garam masala, and just stir that through. When your chicken has cooked through, you can add in an extra knob of butter or ghee, and this is just going to make it extra silky. You can also add a squeeze of lemon juice and a handful of fresh coriander. For the garlic coriander rice, I'm just grinding up some fresh garlic, add some chopped coriander, and just try to mince that in with your garlic as well. Finally, a really good amount of butter or ghee, and just really smash that garlic and coriander through. And just spoon that garlic butter over your fluffy rice. And it smells amazing already. You can smell the garlic, the coriander, and just let that melt through. I've dished out my fluffy rice. You can see the garlic and the coriander. It smells so buttery and tasty. And now let's spoon out our chicken curry. I like my sauce to be relatively loose, where it coats the chicken but without being super thick, because I really like to scoop it up with my rice. You can finish it off with an extra sprinkle of kasturi methi and some coriander. Let's just try some of this delicious curry. I've been smelling it all day. A good bite with the rice. And that's all it takes to make this delicious creamy curry. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Sorry, I'm still drooling. And thank you for watching.